Hello there! It is your favorite filmmaker, chemistry researcher, and historian here, Megan Bauer. Today, we are going to be discussing one of the most prominent nuclear physicists to ever exist. Drum roll, please. Einstein! Nope, Ernest Rutherford. Rutherford was born on August 30th, 1861, in Nelson, New Zealand. He was one of 11 siblings raised by his parents, James Rutherford, a Scottish wheelwright, and Martha Thompson, an English schoolteacher. He grew up in a low middle-class home and went to public school, but he excelled in his classes. In 1889, he was awarded a scholarship to the University of New Zealand. After successfully graduating, he attended Canterbury College, where he graduated with high honors in physics and mathematics. He then continued his studies as a research student, where he worked with J.J. Thomson at the University of Cambridge. He then became a professor of physics at the University of Manchester. So, what was so special about this Rutherford guy anyways, you may wonder? Well, he was responsible for a remarkable series of discoveries in the areas of radioactivity and nuclear physics. In 1908, he won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry because of his discovery in collaboration with Frederick Soddy that heavy atoms frequently break down into lighter atoms. One of his greatest discoveries in his experiments and research was the nuclear structure of an atom. Working as a professor at the University of Manchester, he conducted the gold foil experiment in 1911. Rutherford aimed a beam of alpha particles at a piece of gold foil. When this happened, many of the alpha particles passed through the foil, but some scattered backwards. This meant that there must be something in the center of the atom. The nucleus. After this groundbreaking discovery, he was called the father of the nucleus. Rutherford also published several books about his studies and knowledge with radioactivity. The books were Radioactivity, published in 1904, Radioactive Transformations, published in 1906, Radiation from Radioactive Substances, published in 1930, and more. In 1914, he was knighted and appointed the Order of Merit in 1925, where his legacy continued, winning many awards for his discoveries. Rutherford married his wife in 1900, Mary Newton, who graduated with honors from Wesleyan Female College. They then had their daughter in 1901. At the age of 66, Ernest became ill due to a hernia that he had ignored. He passed away on October 19, 1937, but his legacy still lived on. Without the discoveries and studies with the nucleus, radioactivity, and the decay of atoms, science would not be as advanced as it is today. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.